In terms of Ethereum, and this is where altcoins are, I think we've had this bullish divergence. Personally, Ethereum has been my best performer. I've made over 200% since trading it around 1.6K on the long side, and we've traded it 4 times for reinvesting profits. Entered around here, and I exited around here. Okay, so we entered 4.4, 4.5, and then we exited around 4.4, 4.5. And then we had the big dump. So again, you have to be focused, you have to be on it, you have to be monitoring the markets constantly so that you don't get caught out. And that's exactly what we did in this group and managed to protect ourselves as much as we can. And we are now cash. We didn't catch this, we didn't catch this. We're now monitoring the situation for support zones. The next support zone for me is, I think it's probably best to do it on this chart. Okay. Next support zone for me is 3.5 on Ethereum, and then we have K and 2.6. Okay, we have to monitor these levels. We haven't had a dip like this in a very, very long time. So we had that bullish move here, which I ended up buying the initial move, and then we've just continued staying above this midpoint. Okay, the midpoint held up, then it got flushed out. Now we are in a bearish market. This is my opinion. I've shared it over and over again. We are bearish. We are looking now for support to buy again. Bitcoin's very similar, right? Bitcoin here has been consolidating and ranging for approximately 4-5 months. So if we look at from May 2025 up until now, we are actually in a distribution consolidation zone. And yes, we've had some trends that have given us 20, 15%ers and a few other ones that have given us 5 or 6. But overall, we are looking weak here, and we are right at a support zone. And then the next level is 99 and 93. Okay. If we go down here, it will take a lot more effort for us to move back up because we are in a ranging market. Okay. So we could easily end up in a situation, and this is something that you should be cautious about, a situation similar to 2022. Okay, I'm going to show you guys what happened there. We had a top around April, retested that zone again, and then we had a sell-off, right? And a distribution. So we had a distribution consolidation zone, a sell-off, and then a consolidation for another build-up. Okay, so this setup here, I think it's worth me taking a screenshot of this and probably sharing it with my community as well. This setup here is very, very similar to what we are currently seeing. Can you see it? Right here. Okay. So we could actually be building a new push for higher levels around this 100 zone. 100 could be the new low. And then we could be building here, okay? Or even 94 and so on. Let's see where the market takes us. Usually from the highs, it's a 75% drop. And maybe I'm focusing too much on crypto here, but it's crucial. It's a 75% drop on average. Do we get that move? I'm very, very cautious here to say that we do right now. I think the 100 zone is a key support zone, especially with institutional buying coming in with Bitcoin, right? With all the other alts, they are looking absolutely weak and they look like they want to be coming back down to these levels here. So we're going to be able to buy them super, super cheap for the next momentum move. On the long side, guys, is where you make the money. Yes, you can make some money on the short side, but the long side is where we make money. And as a swing trader, that's why I really want to be buying and looking into, and we want to be buying moves like this. November 2024, big euphoric buy-in. We don't have that yet. We have a flat market, which is basically undesirable for investors at the moment, especially alts.